Hello and welcome to Speak English Now. In this video, you will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English step by step. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Speak slowly, repeat after me, and practice every day. Let's start. Good morning. Let's talk about your morning routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. Repeat, I wake up at 7 a.m. After that, I get out of bed. Repeat, I get out of bed. Then, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. Repeat, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat, I wash my face. Sometimes I take a shower. Repeat, I take a shower. Next, I get dressed. Repeat, I get dressed. I choose my clothes carefully. Repeat, I choose my clothes. After that, I have breakfast. Repeat, I have breakfast. I usually eat bread and drink tea or coffee. Repeat, I eat breakfast. Then I check my phone. Repeat, I check my phone. I read messages or news. Repeat, I read messages. Finally, I get ready to leave. Repeat, I get ready to leave. Practice. Say it all together. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, I take a shower, and I have breakfast. Now let's talk about your day. I go to work or school. Repeat, I go to work. I start my day at 9 a.m. Repeat, I start my day. I work on my tasks. Repeat, I work on my tasks. I talk to my colleagues or classmates. Repeat, I talk to people. At noon, I have lunch. Repeat, I have lunch. I eat rice, vegetables, or meat. Repeat, I eat lunch. After lunch, I continue working. Repeat, I continue working. Sometimes I feel tired. Repeat, I feel tired. I take a short break. Repeat, I take a break. I drink water or coffee. Repeat, I drink coffee. In the afternoon, I finish my work. Repeat, I finish my work. Practice. I go to work, I have lunch, and I finish my work in the afternoon. Let's talk about your evening. I go home in the evening. Repeat, I go home. I relax for a few minutes. Repeat, I relax. Then, I prepare dinner. Repeat, I prepare dinner. I eat dinner with my family. Repeat, I eat dinner. After that, I watch TV or use my phone. Repeat, I watch TV. Sometimes I read a book. Repeat, I read a book. I also study English. Repeat, I study English. I practice speaking and listening. Repeat, I practice English. Later, I take a shower. Repeat, I take a shower. Practice. In the evening, I go home, eat dinner, and relax. Now let's finish with your night routine. At night, I prepare to sleep. Repeat, I prepare to sleep. I brush my teeth again. Repeat, I brush my teeth. I turn off the lights. Repeat, I turn off the lights. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Repeat, I go to bed. Before sleeping, I think about my day. Repeat, I think about my day. Sometimes I listen to music. Repeat, I listen to music. Sometimes I pray or relax quietly. Repeat, I relax. Then, I sleep. Repeat, I sleep. I sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Repeat, I sleep well. Final practice. Say everything. I wake up, I go to work, I come home, and I go to bed. Utro. Great job. Now you can talk about your daily routine in English. Practice every day. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next lesson.